In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on crypto.com with a debit card. So to do this, first going to open up the crypto.com app. Then from the home screen, click on buy. And here select whichever cryptocurrency you would like to buy with your debit card. For example, I'll select Solana. After selecting the cryptocurrency, choose how much of it you want to buy. I'll do 10 euros. Then where it says buy with, you can see I already have a card connected, but for you it will probably say your Euro account or whatever else. So click on buy with, and then here click on add payment method in the bottom. Then select a debit or credit card. And now here you can add your debit card details, so that's your first and last name, your card number, expiration date and CVV code. They will then do an authorization charge when you click add card, but this is of 0 cents. It's just to check if your card actually works, and if it does, it will be added as a payment method right here, just like the one I already have. So you can then simply select it, and then click review order, and then click on confirm, and then the total cost will be charged from your debit card, and you will buy the cryptocurrency using that debit card. So now you know how to buy crypto with a debit card on crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.